New construction home only across the street from Willoughby Bay and in one block to the Chesapeake Bay. Open floor plan, well-appointed kitchen west/quartz countertops, upgraded cabinets west/soft close drawers/doors and dovetailed drawers with a large island and walk-in pantry, open to the family room west/gas fireplace and deck off the front of the home. A large dining room and powder room rounds at the first floor west/luxury vinyl plank for durability. Master west/ensuite tiled shower west/a custom glass door, 2 walk-in closets and balcony, 2 additional bedrooms, a hall guest bathroom and laundry room are on the 2nd floor and the 3rd floor is the 4th bedroom west/walk-in closet. Huge storage room on the 1st floor adjacent to the 2-car garage.